He was being lazy and unprofessional, counsel. He never spoke to the defendant. Counsel, stop.
And there it is, folks. The judge's nuclear warning. Contempt of court isn't just a slap on the wrist. It means fines, jail time, or both. Basically, the courtroom equivalent of, don't test me.
Stop or I'll hold you in contempt. Keep talking, I'll hold you in contempt. All right, appearances for People versus Littleton.
Morning, Orange County Control, 84724. Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Sylvana Frost, and you ready to work with James case.
All right, ladies, we ready to go?
Judge, we're ready to go, and I claim witness flew in from out of the country speaking.
All right, put her on the stand.
Mr. Wilson, children will not concede at this time. The custody flow is permanent that it's supposed to be celebrated understanding the nature or the is not fully aware of your honor, but I try to ask him or explain it to them.
Let me stop you. When did you talk to him and realize you had those problems?
Well, it's been a compounded conversation. So there was a little obvious, but your honor was I'm not sure if your honor was the judge ready at that time.
Was not. Counsel, my question was a simple one. When did you know you had this problem?
Sometimes it's a compounded issue, your honor. It wasn't just the first time, it's the second time also.
Denied. Twice I've asked you a direct question, you can't answer. No, I asked you for a date. When did you know you had the problem?
Oh, that's a dagger right there. Imagine being a victim flowing across borders, reliving trauma only. For the defense attorney to claim last minute that his client might not understand what's going on. The judge isn't just frustrated. He's furious at wasted time and money.
They flew somebody in from out of the country. If this was a problem you could have told them about a week ago, we could have avoided that. So we'll go ahead with the exam. You can do whatever you want. You can build whatever your record is. We're going to use the witnesses that are here today. I didn't ask for an argument, counsel. I just told you my decision. Who's the attorney of record?
That is correct, Judge.
So schedule a show cause for Attorney King for contempt of court. Would somebody like to explain to me why the attorney of record is not here for a scheduled exam?
That he's going to us response because I was going under anyway because the nurse was going to refer to copy.
No, he wasn't. You were going to ask for that.
The court, the next question the court has considered that the referral policy at this point in time juncture. I understand that there has been the regular complaints. Pushing forward the century Mr. Wilson did not assist fractionate what is actually happening. They cannot make more. They also need the person of obligation to be sent.
Here's what I consider. Your office is continuing to do this to the court docket with attorneys that are scheduled that don't show, don't call, just ghost us. We've got attorneys that show up the day of the exam having never spoken to their defendant repeatedly, day in, day out. Every Wednesday we have the same thing.
This is courtroom tea being spilled. Translation: the judge is accusing the entire defense office of ghosting clients, ghosts in court, and basically treating serious cases like calendar filler. The tension here, palpable.
Your office is disrespecting the Wayne County bench. Is that clear? We've been told we have to actually hold you people in contempt so that they can withhold the payment for the job that you're not doing. Would you like to say anything?
Judge, I just have for an opportunity to make their record if I may.
Go ahead.
So first of all, I would like to note that this is my first time actually working on this for about not the first one sending the minus.
Oh, it sounds like they threw her to the wolves.
I just want to acknowledge that and don't think it's
No, she's just lucky enough to be the one I yell at. No.
Mr. King called somebody else last week, contacted us, so that I can figure out how the defense attorney was. I found out that it was Mr. King. I contacted Mr. King. I got my husband that day. We was born in the conference. I'd like to know that I'm virtually sending in digital to start my school. You ready to really give me some ABs on competency concerns that I asked if you would let me know if you would be referring to them. I'd also like to know that I spoke to the elder out of the country to claim witness confirmed the next 4 to 6 Wednesdays for free in her schedule and let him know the flying for me. And for Mr. King, I will get 80 of those days work of an 8-week schedule in there for her to be flown into the country and judge the Supreme Court side of the airport. So flown into the airport, she was sexually assaulted in. Then if that happened, and if she did, he would only be dead. Because I would not want to have the victim all the way back, only to be told that there was an German clash or have to be referred to. I asked Mr. King that. I did feel at the time like he was just me. I also recognized it was pretty easy. PTC happened, right? Really, I was not present when the actual date was set. It was set 7 days out. We did everything that we could to get the victim here. I had the officer in charge of the peace road, plan for a plain lane that actually do to get her from the gate to the airport again. She was suddenly assaulted to her hotel to keep her calm. She's been truly traumatized for all of this. Prior to this, after all the arrangements for me, I started calling Mr. King 48 hours before the victim needed to leave the country. Just to confirm that he's not coming out of this for the German discovery, to confirm that he was not planning on referring anything for competency. He refused to call me back, refused to give my text. I got a call from him this morning at 8:30. So the first time he had spoken to me, in PCC last week. And that is when he told me that he was not spoken to his clients. The other members of his team had unfortunately stepped in to speak to his client for him, and they were concerned about his competency, and that he wasn't sure if that would be able to sit through it.
This is totally unconscionable.
I told Mr. King that we would judge. Mr.
Mr. King better bring a toothbrush.
You catch that? The toothbrush line isn't a casual remark. Judges say this when they're hinting that the attorney might not be going home after the hearing. Translation: pack for jail counselor.
When he comes for the show cause, please send that message. Clear? Counsel? Clear? Answer my question. Clear? Make sure he brings a toothbrush when he comes for his show cause. Thank you.
If I may judge, I recognize I have no actual power to object to a constitutional vote. I recognize that. But the way that this is handled, is one of the inconvenience me, and I have lost that further today with the bench. Several of them here at the courthouse that I have so represented.
Me too.
And appropriate, and I told Mr. King that until there was an application in court, we were here, we were ready to go, and I'm not a law student. Because being a prosecutor, I know that I cannot proceed when there is a genuine referral for competency. I don't want to compromise my ethics. This is extremely difficult for physicians. We are in. The reason we're in this position is because of the coaching. And I made it.
Go ahead.
Notice the tone shift after all that courtroom fire. The defense tries to reset. Calm. Procedural, almost boring. It's a survival tactic when the judge is heated. You don't fight flames with flames. You play it safe, measured, boring.
Well, thank you for the procedural I can't speak to the conversations of the prosecutor having this be direct, rather than overnight. I'll just say, that at the time, the moment that Mr. King was stating that he did not intend to refer to competency to buying the agreement. Those were two statements. It wasn't until understanding the actual and was not finished privileged communications and confidential conversations that we had that in practical examination, even if it was all the even though it's told about here that we don't intend to refer to competency, it's reiterated here that Mr. Wilson has an issue of saying the ordinary nature proceedings as well as it's not related to this rationally in the defense. So it's not saying that Mr. King wasn't being honest and truthful, but
He was being lazy and unprofessional, counsel. He never spoke to the defendant.
Your Honor,
Unless she's lying to me, King told her he'd never met with Mr. Littleton. Other people from his office had.
appreciate your
And I'm going to take her at her word.
The sense that all the other times that she was speaking with Mr. King, he made the applications and the intention of pulling the said that that was his intention. He wasn't speaking specific, he wasn't communicating, but he was hearing.
Counsel, stop, or I'll hold you in contempt. Keep talking, I'll hold you in contempt. I'm not going to let you make your argument because you don't know what you're talking about. You're not talking from firsthand knowledge. She is. Sit down. Counsel, don't test me. Sit down. You're done speaking today.
Done speaking today?
Yes, ma'am. Who flew in?
Waiting for this piece. Her name is Showdown. And so for investigate dash.
All right. I'm going to want her in here in just a minute. Paperwork so we can send Mr. Littleton for his competency, which will be 6 months down the road before we hear anything. You guys can take Mr. Littleton back into lockup. Bring your complaint in there.
Here's you to go
Please.
up here.
This podium. Yeah. Right here, ma'am. Right here. Did you tell her what happened?
I told her that there was an issue. He wanted to see her that I would explain out.
So we're not going to have an exam today. I wanted to apologize to you personally for making you show up and put you through this and have nothing of substance happen. I also want to know exactly, with documentation of counsel, what it cost you to show up here today. Because if I find the attorney in contempt, I'm going to charge him for your costs. You understand that? I just wanted you to hear it from me personally.
And this is a human side of justice. Judges aren't robots. After blasting the attorneys, he turns to the victim with empathy, a powerful reminder behind every legal battle. There are real people, real trauma, and real stakes.
That I apologize on behalf of the system. I apologize to you because the system is not treating you well. Thank you, counsel.
Brilliant.
Ms. Moore, anything else?
Thank you. And again, I just want to acknowledge that I do not believe that Mr. She's saying.
I don't disagree. Thank you. What's next?